Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to use CircleBoom's real-time tweet search to continuously track new tweets based on your keywords and filters automatically. First, log in to CircleBoom Twitter. Then open the left side menu and click X account search /on tweets. From there, select real-time tweet search. After that, click the Let's Start button to open the AI-powered search screen. In the search box, simply describe the tweets you want to monitor. For example, you can type something like, "Find tweets about Apple products, exclude retweets and spam." CircleBoom AI automatically understands your intent, extracts the important keywords, and applies smart filters without needing advanced Twitter search operators. Then review the AI suggestions below the search box. CircleBoom helps you narrow the results by suggesting filters like excluding retweets, focusing on verified accounts, filtering links, hashtags, replies, or removing unrelated noise. This helps you monitor more relevant conversations in real time. After that, click Continue and select how long you want CircleBoom to track incoming tweets. You can monitor tweets for the next 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, or set a custom tracking period. Next, choose how many tweets CircleBoom should collect during the live monitoring process. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the tweet volume, then click Continue to start the search. You can click View History anytime to monitor your active searches, check collected tweet counts, pause tracking, or open the live results page. In Tweet View, CircleBoom lists all matching tweets together with impressions, likes, retweets, quotes, bookmarks, replies, and posting times, so you can quickly identify conversations getting attention in real time. Then switch to Display Profiles of this search to open Profile View and analyze the accounts behind those tweets. Here, you can review follower counts, following counts, account age, engagement activity, and follow ratios to evaluate account quality before interacting with them. From there, you can directly follow or unfollow accounts, add selected users into Twitter/X lists, enable autofollow for matching users, filter the collected profiles, or export both tweets and profiles as CSV files for outreach, lead generation, and reporting. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy circle booming.